Bengali group. Today we are going to present about West Bengalis. Prabhat Sabai. I am Rachita Gupta. With my team Shriya, Sia, Rayan, Ramesh and Shikha. Now I am going to tell you some facts about Bengali. Bengali people are considered to be highly cultured. They love music very much. Bengali language. Now I am going to tell you some facts about Bengalis. Bengali people are considered to be highly cultured and refined. Bengali language has been voted as the sweetest language in the world by UNESCO. Tea is the secret of the energy. Barer Cha is the secret to a Bengali Adda. Die-hard football fans, football fever in Bengali is actually quite excellent. Now my friend Rian will tell us what is the food of West Bengal.
In West Bengal, food is a major part of festivals all over the world, but even more so for Bengalis and their festivals. The best part of Bengali festivals is that any other festivals. There are no boundaries to what one can eat. A huge era of possibility from sweet to spicy, vegetarian to non-vegetarian, simple to exotic and authentic to fusion. There are hundreds of options to choose from. We have attempted to filter some of the best and all-time favorite dishes which would be loved by everyone and people of all ages during Durga Puja. However, do not restrict yourself to just these items and try out as much of Bengali dishes as you can and enjoy its goodness in the spirit of the festivals. Now, my friend Sia will tell us more about spices.
धन्यवाद Ryan. Now I will speak about West Bengal spices. Seed spices in Kolkata, cumin seeds in Kolkata, methi dana, fanseed, black cumin, tamarind seeds, cardamom seeds, ginger seeds, vanilla seeds, black mustard seeds, coriander seeds. Now my friend Ryan will continue. Thank you.
Dhanyavad Sia. Ilish Shorshe, essentially a dish of hilsa fish. Its rich taste and flavor cannot be compared to any other dish, which makes it a favorite for all the Bengalis. This dish is a must-have during the festivals of Durga Puja. Shorshe Ilish is a Bengali dish native to the Bengal region of the Indian subcontinent, made for hilsa or tenulusa ilish, a type of herring cooked in mustard gravy. Now my friend Shika will tell us more about ilish shorshe.
Dhanyavad Riyan. Hello friends, myself Shikha. Now I will tell you the ingredients of ilish shorshe. For that, we need fish, mustard seed, and oil, green chili, curd, red chili and turmeric powder, salt, and water. Now Ramesh will further tell you more about the food. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I will tell recipe of ilish shorshe. Hilsa or ilish, one of the tastiest fish. Clean and wash fish pieces. Soak the mustard seeds for 30 minutes. In a grinding jar, add soaked mustard seeds, green chilies and salt. Grind the mustard seeds along with green chilies and salt does not make it bitter. Grind green patiently until smooth. Transfer in a bowl, add curd, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Mix till heat oil in a pan. Add the prepared mixture. Add little water. Let it boil. Add fishes. Add salt and green chili. Cover and soak for 5 minutes. Flip after 5 minutes. Cook again for 5 minutes with the lid on. Flip the fishes very carefully or it will break. Add mustard oil, rest for 5 minutes and ilish sauce is ready to serve. Now my friend Sia will tell us nutrition value of ilish sauce.
Dhanyavad, Robin. Do you know the nutrition value of ilish sauces? Now I will tell you the nutrition value of energy 450 calories, protein 17.1 grams, carbohydrate 8.1 grams, total fat 38.4 grams, saturated fat 4.9 grams, cholesterol 0.07 grams, sodium 0.008 grams. These is the nutrition value per serving in ilish sauces. Now I will tell you about mochar chop.
Dhanyavad Shriya. Mochar chop, a very traditional and unorthodox chop recipe. Mochar chop is actually banana chop, prepared by frying a mix of mashed bananas, potatoes, and spices. This dish is best enjoyed with a piping hot cup of tea and served as a catalyst in reaping quality family time. Now my friend Shika will tell us more about mochar chop.
আবার ধন্যবাদ রিয়া তোমরা কি জানো যে মোচার চপ দিয়ে কি তৈরি হয় Come, I will tell you. For that we need banana flour, boiled potato, corn flour, breadcrumbs, turmeric, chili and coriander powder, garam masala, ginger paste, peanuts, sugar, oil and salt. Now Rabish will continue.
Dhanyabad Shikha. Now I will tell you about mochar chop. First, remove the middle stem and the outer thin layer of banana flour. But in the middle portion, no need to remove those parts. First, I will make a masala paste. Take a bowl and add ginger paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, or chopped green chili, turmeric powder, or little bit water. Mix well to make paste. Then make the stuffing. Heat up a kadai and add mustard oil. Add cumin and 2 dry chilies. Fry them for 10 to 15 seconds. Turn the flame to low and add the masala paste. Then soak on low flame. Add salt, sugar and cook the masala on low flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, oil came out of the masala. Now add boiled banana flour or mocha. Mash the boiled potato and add in it. Mix well with masala. While mixing, add garam masala powder and handful of peanuts. Roasted masala. Mix well by pressing. Turn the flame to medium and stir continuously. Stir and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Cook it becomes dry. Now make the chop or cutlets. With the stuffing, we can make them in any shape like round, oval, etc. Now add biscuit powder in a plate and mix corn flour with water. Dip chops in corn flour and coat with biscuit powder. When the oil heat up, turn the flame to medium and add the chop. Fry the medium flame. Now our mocha chop are ready to serve. I have made mocha chop at home. Now my friend Shriya will tell us nutrition value of mocha chop.
Dhanyabad Ravi. Now I will tell you the nutrition value of mocha chop. Energy 51 kilocalorie, protein 1.6 grams, fat 0.6 grams, carbohydrate 9.9 grams, fiber 5.7 grams, calcium 0.056 grams, phosphorus 0.07 grams, iron 0.05 grams, copper 0.01 grams, potassium 0.5 grams, magnesium 0.04 grams, vitamin E 0.001 grams. This is the nutrition value per piece in mocha chop. Now my friend Rian will tell you about sandesh.
Dhanyavad Shriya. Sandesh, a sweet savory. You cannot miss on sandesh. If you have a knack for sweet, a typical Bengali sweet dish, sandesh, is prepared in milk, sugar, and jaggery. It cannot get any sweeter than this. Sandesh, a dessert originating from the Bengal region in the eastern part of the Indian subcontinent, created with milk and sugar. Some recipes of sandesh call for the use of chena or paneer instead of milk itself. Dhanyavad. Now my friend Shikha will tell us more about sandesh.
Thank you once again, Rian. Do you know the ingredients needed for sandesh? Come, I will help you out. It's a sweet dish. For that, we need paneer, almond powder, sugar powder, cardamom powder. Now, Ramesh will tell you the recipe.
Dhanyabad Shikha. Now I will tell recipe of sandesh. Add paneer to a plate along with almond powder. Knead it very light until smooth. Move the chana to a non-stick pan. Add sugar and cardamom powder. Begin to heat on a low flame. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Roll them to ball and flatten a bit. Tuck whatever you wish to garnish in the center. Refrigerate for 2 hours and serve. Tuck in nuts or few strands of kesar for traditional look. Shelf life is short. Refrigerate and finish sandesh within 2 to 3 days. Cool down completely, then knead lightly. Now my friend Shriya will tell us nutrition value of sandesh.
Dhanyavad Ramesh. Now I will tell you the nutrition value of sandesh. Total fat 7 grams. Saturated fat 2 grams. Total carbohydrate 15 grams. Sugar 17 grams. Protein 2 grams. This is the nutrition value per piece in sandesh. Now my friend Rasita will tell you about festivals of West Bengal.
Famous festivals of West Bengal are Durga Puja and Post Parban. Post Parban is a harvest festival celebrated on 14th June every year. Festival of West Bengal. Baro Mase Tero Parban. Baro Mase Tero Parban means 13 festivals in 12 months. Each indicates the absence of activity in the state. Now I will tell you the history of Durga Puja. It was the royal family of Malda Dinaj started the tradition of famous festival of Durga. The famous festival of West Bengal are Durga Puja in Post Parban. Post Parban is a harvest festival celebrated on 14th January every year. Festival of West Bengal. Baro Mase Tero Parban. Baro Mase Tero Parban means 13 festival in 12 months. It indicates the abundance of festivity in the state. Now I will tell you the history of Durga Puja festival. It was the royal family of Malda Dinajpur who started the tradition of worshipping the Holy Mother around 16th century. The first Baroyari Puja or 12 Friends Puja was conceptualized in Hooghly around 1790. Based on this, the Durga Puja started to celebrate in Kolkata around 99. Festival is celebrated for 9 days and 10th day is Vidya with Vijaya Dashmi greetings. We can easily spot Ganesha, Kartik, Saraswati, Lakshmi and Shiva at the rear in Durga Puja Pandal. However, there is another goddess present, wife of Lord Ganesha, Riddhi in West Bengal. Traditionally, she is represented by the kola bow or banana wife, adorned as the banana stem, wrapped in cloth, bath, and worship. Bhog of Durga Puja is khichuri, banguni, lapda, chutney, rasgulla, etc. The most important dance is called smoking dhunuchi dance, performed by Bengali women and girls during the evening Durga Aarti every day. One of the most iconic traditions of Bengalis Durga Puja is Sindoor Khela. Bengali ladies play red sindoor holy dancing on last day, Vijay Dashmi. It symbolizes the power of womanhood in protecting her husband and children from all evil. धन्यवाद.
वो राजस्थान में म्यूजिक नहीं आ रहा है मैं म्यूजिक इज नॉट ऑडिबल
Yes, ma'am.
चला गया बजाओ तो
We cannot hear the voice.
Is it audible? कोला पूछा दे
चल जाएगा हाँ भैया
Okay, well done. Very good. Can now you all show the food item. Rachita, you can see.
चलो बोलो.
This is fried fish. This is fried fish.
कहाँ चले? हाँ.
This is rasgulla. And this is rice.
Okay, very good. Now, Shikha. Shikha, you can say.
Ma'am, this is rasgulla.
Okay, so you can eat. Both of you can eat rasgulla. And say Kolkata Rasgulla. Say, Ami Kolkata Rasgulla.
खाओ. एक और.
Kolkata rasgulla.
Yes, very good.
This is English shop. Mocha
What is
chop.
this?
Sorry.
Mocha chop.
Mocha
Okay.
chop.
Okay, and what is this, Rian?
Yes, ma'am. This is Chandesh, which is a sweet of Bengal.
Okay, come on, both of you eat and tell me what is the taste. ভালো হয়েছে? Yes, ভালো হয়েছে। সন্দেশটা কেমনি? মিষ্টি?
भालो भालो.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, East or West Bengali are best.
How?
East or West Bengalis are the best.
Okay, is it so? I don't